can give us. Okay, in our today's class, as you can see before us, we have a practical question to solve. Just like in our last class, I introduced us to how to derive the formula for calculating the perimeter of a sector. Okay, so today we are going to be applying that formula in solving this very question we have before us. Okay, now we are told that calculate the perimeter of the sector of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. The angle of the sector being 108 what degree, and we have to take pi as 20 over what 7. Okay, now I usually take it upon myself to draw or to make a sketch of the given what question. Okay, and with that sketch, it will make it easier for me to calculate whatever I'm asked what to calculate. Okay, let's make a sketch of our question. Okay, now this is our circle, and this is the center of the world. Circle, okay, we are told that this circle has a radius of 7 centimeters. Okay, from here to this very point is 7 centimeters. Okay, then from here is another word 7 centimeters from either side. Okay, and the angle between them is what 180 volts. Okay. Now, what are we told to find? We are told to find the perimeter of this circle. Look at the center. Here is center O, and here is 1P, and here is 1P. Meaning that we should find the total length from O to A, from A through this R to B, and from this B to this very point what O, which is our what initial starting point. Okay. The total length of all these parts is what we refer to as what the perimeter of the sector. Then how do you find total length of this side? Okay, so that the formula for find perimeter of what is the sector. We are told that the formula is equal to what? These two radius, radius 1 and radius 2, added together will give us what? 2r plus the length of an arc, which is what? Theta all over 360 times 2 by what? R. So for our question, let's write out our parameters. We are told that our radius from our question is what? 7 centimeters. Okay. Then our theta, which is angle located at the center of the circle, is 180 volts. And we are taking our pi as what? 22 over 7. So what are we looking for now? Perimeter of the what? Sector. Okay. So we can go ahead and use our what? Parameter to this very formula, having our P, which is perimeter of the sector, be equal to what? 2R, which is 2. Our R is what? 7. So we have 2 times what? 7 centimeters. Plus our theta is 108. So we have 108 degrees all over 360 times what? 2. And our pi is given as what? 22 over 7. Okay, times what? Our radius is same as what? 7 centimeters. Okay. Now we solve them one at a time. Look at there's a plus sign connecting this and this side. Okay, together. So let's solve our left hand first. So having 2 times 7 centimeters, that gives us what? 14 centimeters plus. Now we are going to factor this out. 7 can cancel out this. Okay. So we left what? 108 times 2 times 22, right? So that will be 22 times 6 44. So we have 44 times 108. That gives us 4752 all over what? 3. And this is what? A centimeter, right? Okay. Now what's the next step now? We are going to divide this, okay, by the denominator and add the answer to this word. 14 centimeters, okay? So this becomes equal 14 centimeters plus. Let's divide this 4,752 centimeters by 360, okay? So I'm going to be having 13.2 centimeters, okay? Now for what we have here now, we can go ahead and add these two parameters together. Having this 14 plus 13.2, that will give us 27.2 centimeter, and that is the final answer to that. Meaning that if you have to add the total length from here, this 0, which is the center, okay, to this very place, okay, following this part of this arc to this very point, and back to this same place that we started from. Adding all the whole part together will give us total length of 27.2 certificate, and that is what will come as your perimeter of the sector. So thank you so much for joining us at today's class. We hope to see you in our next class. Do well to follow and invite your friends to join us in this our wonderful class. Thank you.